Holly McKhann with the latest Orange County housing market update. And some things have changed in the last couple weeks. If you haven't met me, I'm a local realtor in South Orange County, and my husband and I have done over 250 fix and flip investment properties, and I've helped another 250 plus clients help buy and sell homes. I love to help people make extra money when they're buying and selling if they're interested in renovation, but if not, that's okay too. Happy to help however I can when it comes to buying or selling a home. So back to the housing market update, and make sure you subscribe if you haven't so you don't miss any future videos. So right now in the fall, Stephen Thomas, my favorite economist, puts out this email newsletter every 2 weeks. He likens our current market to kind of like a garage sale. He uses this metaphor talking about how at the beginning of the day, you might price some of your wares a bit higher, but as the day wears on, you might want to drop the prices on some items to get rid of them because you don't want to be left with them at the end of the day. And he says that's kind of what our housing market has come to. He says many sellers have jumped into the housing market and stretched their asking price too high. I've had this with clients. I've had it with my husband when we're selling our own flips. They're like, let's just test the market. Let's see if we can get a higher price than the last comparable that sold. But if it doesn't sell quickly, then you've got to do those price cuts. So sometimes just when it's gone too long and you do the price, it looks less and less desirable as you drop the price. And I often, when I'm shopping with buyers, when they see a price cut, they think, oh, that seller's going to take even less. They're getting negotiable. They're dropping their price, which is the last thing that seller wants to do. They're hoping to get their asking price that they've adjusted to, if not higher. They don't want to go lower. So it's very important to price your home as a seller at fair market value. If you stretch it too high, and a lot of times people do that to leave room for negotiating, then the home just sits too long. And a lot of buyers will just wait for another home to come on the market rather than actually make a significantly lower than asking offer. Many sellers in Orange County have thrown in the proverbial towel, he says. Through September, 21% more homes have been pulled off the market than last year. Another telling sign that sellers have been setting unrealistic expectations is the high number of sellers adjusting their asking price. A surprising 34% of the current listing inventory has reduced the asking price at least once. So when you're thinking about pricing and how long a home has been sitting on the market, it's also important to evaluate it compared to the expected market time. Stephen always gives us every couple weeks the breakdown by price range of the expected market time. So expected market time is from when you post a home for sale and active in the MLS, multiple listing service, until it goes into escrow. So in the $750,000 to $1 million price point, the expected market time is 46 days. Now, I currently have a condo for sale for $900,000 in Laguna Niguel, and we're right at about 60 days. So we're a little bit longer than the expected market time for that price point. But we are expecting an offer today, so I'm very excited. And we haven't done any price drops, and we priced at the same price as the last model match sold comparable. So we priced right at what we perceived as fair market value. It's just taken us a little bit longer. And sometimes certain housing product types might take a little bit longer to sell if they're, unique or different than what the masses are. In this case, this condo is a lower level with someone above you, so that is a negative feature for some people. So that could be why we took a little bit longer. In the 1 million to 1.25 million, the expected market time, 48 days. When you bump up to 1.5 to 2 million, you're at 86 days. That's 3 months. So if a home that you're selling hasn't sold in 1 month or 2 months and it's in that price point, well, that's kind of normal. So, not to panic and not to do too drastic a price cut. And then, of course, when we get to the higher price point, 4 to 6 million is 194 days, and 6 million and higher, 444 days. So over a year. We just don't have as big a buyer pool once you go up in the price point of those multi-million-dollar price ranges as you do in the lower ones. And I also want to share with you total current active inventory in Orange County. So all of the across all product types, condos, townhomes, mobile homes even, and single family homes. We're at 3,694. The demand in the last 30 days, so that's how many homes went into escrow, was 1,598. So about 50%. The market time across all product types right now is 69 days. That's for the expected market time to go into escrow. And the market time 2 weeks ago was 71 days. So we've actually come down a little bit in our expected market time from a couple weeks ago. And then I like to share with you distressed properties. These are short sales or foreclosures, anything like that. There are currently 5 homes in all of Orange County on the market that way, and 1 has gone into escrow. But you'll see in the report, if you click the link below, you can see the other areas. LA County has 92 and Riverside County has 50. So other areas do have a little bit more distressed sales. Do I think there's a wave of foreclosures coming? Absolutely not. We have so many people with either paid in full homes or a ton of equity. So there's not going to be a wave of foreclosures like there was before. So you can get all the details at the link below with the whole Orange County market report here in October 2024. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure you subscribe for future ones. And if you have any questions or comments about this or the real estate market in general, definitely drop them below. I'd always love to hear what you think and what you're interested in.